Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Mike here from TeamHira Adventures. We have beautiful weather, and first I want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you for watching. Also, today is Shivaratri, so it's a religious day. Lots of sweet, lots of praying. A lot of people go to church today. So today video I'm making some Mithai. I make Mithai before, so I'm making some Mithai and I'm making a cake. Snowy cake. So we're not making no parsat today. We make parsat for maybe for Pagua. Next month is Pagua, is right around the corner. So today that's for our video. It's a cooking video. Making a cake with no rank inside. No egg, nothing. I'll show the ingredients I have, and we're gonna make the Mithai later, right? And earlier my wife make balanji curry and oil roti. I can show you that in a few minutes. Jason, this is your microphone. It's working real good. This is your thank you again for the microphone, Jason. All right, thank you, Jason, for the microphone. It's working real good. But let me show you the ingredients for the cake. So I'm making it with whole grain wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but I'm using whole grain wheat flour. Quarter cup whole grain wheat flour I'm using. I have Himalayan salt, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cornstarch. Where I get cornstarch from? Baking soda. So you can have half cup sugar, but I'm using monk fruit sweetener, 1 tablespoon monk fruit sweetener, because the recipe calls for half cup of sugar. So I'm using monk fruit, so it's more healthy. Don't have to worry about blood sugar spike. Alright, try to keep it down, keep away from too much of sweet. So I'm using for 1 teaspoon of baking powder, but I'm using 2 teaspoons because remember this flour don't have a lot of gluten, so I'm using a little extra baking powder. And we got 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt here, plain Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of oil. You can use butter, but the cake might come out a little more dense. But I'm using blended olive oil, not a regular vegetable oil. You can for vegetable oil, but I'm using this oil. Add some almond. I will average about a half teaspoon. A half teaspoon of nutmeg egg and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. You can add more if you want. So we got all the dry to there, and then we got add the yogurt and the oil at last. Alright, so we got everything in here. All the dry. We can mix. You got average the nutmeg egg. A half teaspoon. You can put more if you want. Same thing with the cinnamon. You can mix this in. So if you see need a little liquid, you can add a little carnation milk, or you can add some almond milk if it's too dry. So we can add the oil in the yogurt. So as I said, you can use the butter, but the cake will come out a little more dense. We go average the almond. Got half teaspoon also. We can add this in here. And we can put the oven 325. So you have to add the milk in now. We got some almond milk. And the milk you can just average as you mix it go, you see how the butter come out. Alright guys, so look. It'll get smooth and nice. So I didn't have more almond milk, so I add some regular whole milk. I have my pan here. Butter it and dust it with flour. Alright, so we can pour it in our pan. Alright, so the cake in the pan there, it's preheating, almost finished preheat, and we're gonna drop this in the oven. And then I gonna start to make the Mithai. So guys, you know I have video out there with Mithai. Let's just show you what I'm making today for Shivaratri. So we pray to Shivaratri, to Shiva, also the goddess Parvati. Alright, so we're back again. So the cake in the oven, we're working on the Mithai. Let me show you. I have the ingredients for the Mithai. I have the 4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of shredded coconut, and this is a pack one. You can grate the fresh one. I have 2 teaspoons and a half baking powder. I have a tablespoon of sugar and a half. Because remember, we can put syrup, so we don't want to make it too sweet. We have got a cup of milk to start with. If there's anything, we can add more later. Stick and a half butter here. This is the custard powder. I got about a tablespoon. Maybe a little more. This can just give it a real good flavor. a little more. We add the baking powder. We add the sugar. Give this a mix. Oh, yeah, I also add the coconut inside. Average about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Same thing with the cinnamon. We add the butter in. We add the milk. So we might have to add more milk. So we start with a cup of milk. So we add some more. We use our hand to mash it. And if it's a little too sticky, you can add a little more dry flour. So when you add more flour now, let it rest for 20 minutes or so. And then we go mash it back and then start to cut it and fry it. For the syrup, 1 cup sugar with 1/4 cup water. And we boil it medium heat on the stove. It becomes like a crystal. And then we pour it over the mithai. Spin it up, let it sit, and it becomes nice and crystal on the mithai. So in the meantime that's sitting the cake in the oven, we gotta get back to the mithai soon. Alright, so we go. We do it rest, we can take it out of here. Put it here. Let's squish it down. Alright, so we can take a little dry flour. Catch all the dry flour. Alright. So what we're gonna do, cut it in 2. And we're gonna roll this part out. About a 1/4 inch thick or so, not too thick. We'll take our pizza cutter. So we cut this. That over there. This set I just cut out there. So we cut out these more. This set more. And then we can start to fry it. So that's the rest I cut out there. So we will fry this out first. And then work on the other half of the dough. Okay, so we got 1 set frying there. That's the 4 set frying there. And that's 1 set there. After that batch finish, we will fry that. So I'm doing the other half of the dough. We will roll this out and cut it out. So what I do, instead of cut it one by one, we just run the like this. Make it easier. So when we're ready to fry, we just take it out. Alright, so the mithai is finished. Fries, I just have the syrup on the stove. I'm doing the syrup, then we can pour the syrup over it. Then mix it up and leave it until it turns crystal over it. So guys, the sauce is here. It's almost there. Once the sauce like crystal, then we can pour it over it. So that's the cake, guys. I take it out of the pan. Remember, there's no egg inside. We'll adjust this. No rank inside the cake. Alright, so we pour the syrup over the mithai now. And we go shake it up. Oops, you gotta escape it there. Alright guys, so that's it for the mithai. And as it cool, you see the sugar begin to show like crystal all over it. And that's the cake. I don't want to cut the cake, it's still hot yet, you know, it's still hot. I don't want to cut it when it's hot. You come out nice and spongy, soft and nice. I don't want to cut into it because it's real hot. Earlier my wife make balanji curry with potato. That she make earlier with oil roti over here. So we get balanji curry with potato and oil roti. And I leave some of the mithai separate. I didn't put no syrup in this one. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Shivaratri, Lord Shiva birthday. Celebrate Lord Shiva birthday today. Let's be a blessed day for Lord Shiva. Happy birthday to Lord Shiva. And Parvati also, the goddess Parvati. Happy Shivaratri to all my family, friends, subscriber, viewer. Thank you again. Happy Shivaratri. Thank you for watching. Jason, again, thank you for the microphone. It's working real good. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of your Shivaratri. Eat up a lot of sweet, not too much. See you back soon in the next adventure.